I could not believe how the Surface lineup has expanded, right?
And
it's actually been tailored for the individual type of workers, right? That you're seeing, whether it's a frontline worker, whether it's a corporate worker, whether it's a design worker. Maybe just add a little more color to that. Could you possibly just maybe add a little bit more to like how interesting it's all been set up for different people in different parts of the organization?
Absolutely. So, one of the things that we've been very focused on for our commercial customer space is getting the right device for the type of business that you do. So when you think about, that if you're in the field, you want a lightweight device. Sherman, you remember the days where we would lug around those 10-pound devices and you're running through the airport, you're trying to get work done. It's heavy. You can't fit anything else in your bag, that kind of stuff. We've now made really lightweight devices, some of them even under 2 pounds, and they are super easy and to leverage and use. We have a lot of LTE connected devices as well. So when you think about that mobile worker, a device like, for example, our Surface Pro 7 Plus device is an excellent device, and it comes with LTE. So you have that always connected capability. I don't know about you, but going in and out of, customer and partner sites, trying to get get through their VPN, through their firewalls, and, just even sometimes ascertaining the Wi-Fi code, right? How do I get connected can be difficult. So that LTE device really lends a lot of value. And it's lightweight, it's easy to use, it's got a kickstand on it, you can use it in tablet form, you can click on the type cover. You have a whole bunch of ways that device works. And also it allows for inking, which is fantastic, and they're all touch screen. And then we have more advanced, if you're more of a clamshell device type user, we have a number of different laptop form factors that are really fantastic and also super lightweight. In fact, I've got several laying around all over the place that I could share and show to you, but here's a great example of our laptop device, right? This is a great device. We're now making it in black and then in other colors. It's really slim and lightweight. This is one of my favorites. And today I happen to be working off of a Surface Book, which is also a clamshell factor, but it has a removable tablet to it. So I find myself, in meetings, if I don't want to be sitting there clicking along, typing, I'll pull off the tablet portion and just use my notes, and I can convert that easily to text, send it off in my OneNote, and we're off to the races. So there's a lot of great flexibility in our devices. And then we have devices like our Pro X device, which is really designed for that heavy developer type user, right? So we really truly do have a device for every type of user now, and our portfolio just keeps expanding.